It looks like someone already managed to get the hands-on unboxing of the Galaxy S25 series. Hands-on images of the Samsung Galaxy S25 series have surfaced ahead of the official launch, adding a twist of last-minute drama. These leaks showcase the upcoming devices in full detail, spoiling some of the excitement for Unpacked. Notably, the retail box, which had remained a mystery, has also been revealed. Set to debut today at Unpacked in San Jose, USA, the Galaxy S25 Ultra features a refined design philosophy. While it maintains its phablet-like appearance, it departs from the sharp corners that define the Note series. The S25 series will arrive in a redesigned, slim retail box similar to previous models, confirming the absence of an in-box charging adapter. The box showcases the phones from a tinted side view, emphasizing the frame and camera. The leaked images also unveil the new premium-looking camera rings, which appear more refined than those seen in earlier CAD renders. Additionally, the flat middle frame and back panel are designed to enhance comfort in hand. The leak reveals the Galaxy S25 in mint and silver shadow colors, while the S25 Plus is showcased in navy blue. Both models are also available in a fourth shade, icy blue. Additionally, Samsung will offer exclusive colors, blue black, coral red, and pink gold, available only through its website. As for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, its standard color options include titanium black, titanium silver blue, titanium white silver, and titanium gray. The unit shown in the leaked images is likely titanium white silver. Let's see all the photos one by one. Samsung has reportedly decided to maintain the pricing of its Galaxy S25 series base models in South Korea despite rising costs. However, higher memory variants will see a slight price increase. According to a report from ETA News via Jukanlosriv, Samsung plans to launch the Galaxy S25 series at the same prices as the S24 series in South Korea. This decision is seen as positive not only for South Korean consumers but also for overseas markets such as the US, Asia, and Europe. For this year's Galaxy S25 series, the base configuration includes 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, although the 128 gigs variant might be available in select European markets. Here are the prices for the base models. 256 gigs models, Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796.99. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933.62. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,698,400 Korean won, $1,171.96. While the base model's prices remain steady, higher storage variants will see modest increases. Galaxy S25, 512 gigs, 25,400 Korean won, $17.53. Galaxy S25 Plus and Ultra, 512 gigs, 15,400 Korean won, $10.63. 512 gigs models, expected prices, Galaxy S25, 1,313,400 Korean won, $906.29. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,042.92. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,856,800 Korean won, $1,281.26. These prices are calculated based on the current Korean won to USD exchange rate of 1,449.20. The Galaxy S25 series will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset globally, which is about 20% more expensive than its predecessor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The increased chipset costs, coupled with the high USD Korean won exchange rate, have contributed to the minor price adjustments for higher storage variants. What do you think about the prices? Let me know in the comments below. With Samsung set to unveil its latest flagship series in under 2 days, leaker Evan Blass has shared marketing materials for the Galaxy S25 series. The promotional images highlight an extensive list of features, including the much-anticipated Galaxy AI, and provide a quick overview of key specifications such as screen sizes, camera resolutions, and even a focus on RCS texting capabilities. One promotional image for the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus includes fine print revealing that Galaxy AI features will be free through 2025, although a Samsung account is required. Samsung also advertises its daily news briefing for Galaxy users, offering updates on the latest weather, top stories, and more delivered in the morning and refreshed in the evening. The marketing material also emphasizes the Series Night Video with Audio Eraser feature. This AI-driven capability enables users to record vibrant videos in low light while addressing two types of noise. It reduces video noise, which often appears as graininess in low-light recordings, and audio noise, which includes distracting background sounds that interfere with the natural audio of a recording. Additionally, Samsung showcases the front-facing selfie cameras, designed to deliver lifelike selfies with natural skin tones and textures. The leaked materials confirm previously rumored specifications such as the screen sizes: 6.2 inches for the Galaxy S25, 6.7 inches for the Galaxy S25 Plus, and 6.9 inches for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Camera resolutions include 50-megapixel main cameras for both the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts an impressive 200-megapixel main sensor. Battery capacities also differ across the models, with the Galaxy S25 featuring a 4,000 mAh cell, the Galaxy S25 Plus a 4,900 mAh cell, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra packing a 5,000 mAh battery. As expected, only the Galaxy S25 Ultra includes the S Pen accessory bundled in the box. Samsung further highlights its Smart Switch feature, which enables users to safely and efficiently transfer photos, videos, apps, music, contacts, and conversations to a new device. The Samsung Digital Wallet is also promoted, offering a secure place to store credit cards, hotel room keys, boarding passes, and more. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. For today, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.